name is Papa Donald Francis.
Hello, Donald. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Hi, Austin. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, okay. What do you have for us today?
Color fish.
Wow, you're gonna color fish?
Yes.
Can I see the picture of the fish? Wow.
We didn't color it.
Can you count?
1, 2, 3.
Good job,
fish.
guys. Okay, we have 3 fish. Okay, now you want to color?
Yes.
Augustine, what color are you using to color?
Red and pink.
Red and pink. Donald, what's your color?
Orange and green and purple and blue.
Nice one. So let's get to work.
Color the other fish when you finish coloring your own fish. So I'll color the hair. Color the hair purple color crayon. Fish. Color the whole body on sky blue now. And also this one.
Hi, Austin. Are you okay?
No.
Oh, you okay, right?
Yes.
Do you need any help?
No.
Okay. Good job, Austin. Good job, Donald.
Thanks.
Your work is looking beautiful.
Now I'll color the other fish.
Okay.
I need more crayon.
Sweethearts, you have more than 1 crayons there, okay?
Don't like brown and no, I don't like blue and brown.
Okay, what color do you like? Pink and red?
Yes.
Okay, make use of them. You have them there, okay? Okay. Good job, guys. You're doing a beautiful work. I like them. What did you call that, Augustine?
Fish tail.
Fish tail. Wow, that's nice.
want the eyes all pink. And also the face will be black. Like that. Oh, like the color the eyes all black. I think it's still there. Ta-da! I forgot to color this one and this one and this one and this. I would use lemon for the leaves.
Why are you using lemon for the leaves, Donut?
Because the fish will not be so hungry to eat this leaf.
Oh, that's nice.
And I want to color the leaf green.
You want to color the leaves green?
Maybe,
Donut, can you borrow Augustine green color?
but blue and yellow makes green color.
My darling, you share, okay?
Okay.
Look there, you have green color. Can you borrow Augustine one? Thank you. Augustine, what do you say to Donut?
Thank you.
Good boy. Okay, let's get back to work, okay?
When I color the leaves all green because of the fish will not be so sad that their leaves will not be colored.
Oh, you don't want the fish to be angry if you don't color the leaves, right? Okay. That's nice, Donut. Good job, Augustine. Augustine, color your third fish. One of your fish you've not colored, okay?
This one.
Yeah. Can you color that fish, Augustine?
When I color here black. When I color here black.
Good job done.
When the leaf finish coloring, I'll color the fish. When I color the water here.
Water. Wow. Where does fish live?
In sea.
Sea?
In the sea when all the sea creatures live.
Okay.
You need this the water.
The water is blue? The sea water is blue?
Yes.
Okay, Dawn, can you show us your work? Show us, put it in front of you. Wow, this is amazing.
I forgot to
Can we
color,
s-
I forgot to color the water.
Color the water first and show us your work, okay? Augustine, can you show us your work?
No, I still want to color it.
Okay, Donut, now you've colored the water. Can we see the fish?
No, I didn't color the pool for it to live.
Okay.
I'm going to color the other fish. The water will be up and down. Also, the water will be in front of here and 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 here. Everywhere water will be for the fish, so they can swim all around and play.
Good job, guys. Augustine, can we see your fish? Can we see your coloring? Wow, turn it the other way around. Turn it round. Turn it, keep turning it. Nice. This is beautiful. I like it. Dawn, can we see your fish?
Of course now.
Wow. Turn it very well. I'm not seeing it. Wow, this is amazing. Oh my God.
Mommy, now I want to color another color picture. Thanks, Thanks for watching. Click the red button to subscribe. Bye bye. Thumbs up.